In-wall cable management system for wall-mounted flat-screen LED, LCD, and plasma televisions. This kit includes a dual power outlet for mounting one TV plus one 6-outlet surge protector. No more messy cables hanging down the wall between the TV and the floor. No electrician needed with snap-together power connectors. Includes 1. Swivel 6-outlet surge protector. Surge protected. Protects up to 2100 joules. Top-rated product with simple easy DIY installation. Top reviews from the United States. Unfortunately, I was not able to mount as received, so I just discovered that the plastic close to screws in the bottom side of the bridge are defective and broke during installation. I had to go to closed Home Depot to buy similar replacement. How to contact customer service. Because I bought on Spring, I sent an email to Amazon warranty but no one replied to me.